coffee table can be the centerpiece of your living room, setting the tone for the entire space. Begin by considering the size and proportion of the table in relation to your seating arrangement. A table that is too large can overwhelm the room, while one that is too small may look out of place. Aim for a height that aligns with the seat cushions of your sofa, creating a balanced and functional look. Material choice plays a key role in the overall aesthetic. Wooden tables offer warmth and a natural touch, while glass tops create an airy, modern feel. Marble surfaces bring elegance and luxury, and metal frames can add a sleek industrial edge. Choose a material that complements the existing furniture and color palette of your living room. Shape is another important consideration. Rectangular tables work well in larger spaces and pair easily with long sofas. Round or oval tables soften the layout and are perfect for rooms with lots of sharp angles, creating a smoother flow and making it easier to move around. Square tables can anchor a sectional sofa beautifully. Layering decor on the coffee table adds personality and depth. Start with a tray to organize items and give a sense of structure. Within the tray, you can place candles, a small vase of fresh flowers, or a cluster of decorative objects. This keeps the table looking tidy while still stylish. Books are a timeless styling element. Select a few large coffee table books with beautiful covers and interesting topics. Stack them in varying heights to create visual interest. They not only serve as conversation starters, but also add a sophisticated touch to your living room. Consider adding a touch of greenery to bring life to the space. A small potted plant, a succulent, or a single stem in a minimalist vase can add freshness and color. Greenery softens the look of hard surfaces and introduces a natural element that feels welcoming. Balance is key when arranging objects. Play with varying heights, textures, and shapes. For example, combine a tall candle holder with a low decorative bowl and a medium-sized sculpture. This variety keeps the display dynamic without feeling cluttered. If you love a cozy atmosphere, incorporate soft textures. A woven runner or a small tablecloth can add warmth and a relaxed vibe. Pair it with candles or lanterns for a warm glow in the evening. These small touches can transform the coffee table into a comforting focal point. Seasonal updates keep your coffee table looking fresh throughout the year. In spring, try pastel flowers and light ceramic pieces. In autumn, use warm, toned accents like amber glass or small pumpkins. These simple changes can refresh your living room without a complete redesign. For a minimalist approach, keep the surface nearly bare, perhaps with just a single striking object like a sculptural vase or a unique art piece. This style works especially well in modern interiors where negative space is part of the design. Functionality should never be overlooked. If you entertain guests often, make sure there is space for drinks and snacks. Choose decor that can be easily moved or trays that double as serving pieces. This makes the coffee table practical as well as beautiful. Finally, let your personality shine through. Incorporate items that reflect your interests, such as a handmade ceramic bowl from your travels, a favorite candle scent, or a vintage collectible. These personal details will make your coffee table feel unique and inviting, turning it into more than just a piece of furniture. It becomes a reflection of your style. From cozy living rooms to sleek kitchens, we'll discuss everything from how to arrange furniture and choose colors to selecting the perfect decor pieces to complete your look. We will also be exploring the latest trends in home decor, From classic to contemporary innovations, so you can infuse your space with fresh inspirations. Through my design ideas, I will ensure that you have all the knowledge and resources you need to tackle your next decorating project with confidence. Selecting the right furniture is crucial in creating a functional and visually appealing interior design. Each piece of furniture serves a purpose beyond its mere functionality. It contributes to the overall style of a room. Whether you opt for sleek and modern pieces to achieve a contemporary look or prefer vintage, inspired furniture, for every choice you make plays a part in shaping the personality of your space. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right, good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Thanks for watching.